Alright, you guys, this is Kevin Jackson, and I'm going to show y'all how to get Minecraft for free today. I know some of y'all people is got kids at home and y'all want to know how to get Minecraft for free. Okay, you'll simply pull up your browser. Right now I'm using an iPad Air 2. But if you're not running an iOS device, if you're running Android, it's pretty well the same scenario. You want to type in Tutu app in your search bar, and you'll click here, the first one, Tutu app. And you want to get the free version. You don't really want to get the VIP. You can if you want to spend money, but we're trying to get the free version. Okay, and once it comes up, you just scroll down to regular, free, where it says it here. And you will click install. You can exit out of this. Okay. Alright, once you do that, you can go back to your home screen. And as you see, the icon is trying to download. And what this is a type of app store where you can download apps and do different things that you normally could do with the app store. Okay, once this app downloads, there'll be a little bunny, and it'll say Tutu app. And if you try and click on this app, it's going to give you a notification that says that you cannot run this app because it is not trusted. So you click here, and it gives you the notification. Untrusted developer. Alright, so you cancel here. I'll show you how to fix that. Alright, you just go into your settings. Alright, you scroll down. Make sure you're in general. You scroll down to device management. You click on this and it'll bring up the Tutu app. And you just click trust. It asks you, are you sure if you want to trust? You will trust. Okay, you go back to your home screen. You go back. You try to click on the app again. This time it do come up. Okay, it's going to download. It's going to ask you if you want to do notifications. You can allow if you want to. It's going to ask you if you want to download another app called Nestool, which helps. Ads will pop up. You'll just have to exit out. Nestool, which just helps protect it from getting revoked or anything happening where it doesn't download right or it wants to lose its certificate. But you can download that also. It just helps everything run a lot smoother. And it runs like this because it's mostly set up for iPhone. This will work for iPhone, iPad, iPod, just about any type of device. Let's see. Okay. quick. Seems like it's froze up. Sometimes just restart the app. And as you can see, Minecraft is one of the first ones that pops up. As you can see, top search, Minecraft, Pokemon Go, hacks. You can get YouTube Red with this, several things. And you'll just click get for free, as you can see here at the bottom. Get for free. Click it, and it'll start the download. And it actually runs pretty smooth, pretty fast. Okay, it's going to ask you want to install on the device, and you click yes. It'll ask you again. I don't really know why it asks you twice, but it does. Alright, you go back to the home screen, and then you can see that the app is installing. And once it completely installs, it should run as if you bought it from the App Store. And you don't need no jailbreak or no type of modification to your device to get this whatsoever. But I'm gonna need you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, please, if you appreciate this video. If it's helped you anyway whatsoever. Should be just about done. And there it is. Okay. You click on it. Next, do you want notifications? Allow. And here it is. And I am doing my thing in Minecraft. Like and subscribe. Alright. And this is Kalen Jackson. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.